Hand drill, friction fire making. Set the fireboard on a smooth, even surface where it will not slip. Set the pointed end of the drill in the hole near the notch on the fireboard. Start at the top of the drill with hands pressed tightly together. Spin the drill quickly while pushing the drill down into the fireboard. This pushing down and spinning produces heat and dust for coal, but it also makes the hands gravitate down the drill. When you reach the bottom of the drill, hold it firmly in the hole with one hand and quickly move back to the top of the drill. The faster you can start spinning again, the less heat will be lost from the fireboard and drill. Continue rolling the spindle between the palms of your hands until you see a glowing ember. Tap the fireboard to drop the ember into the dust gather. Lift the dust gather to transfer the ember to your fire nest. Gently blow on the fire nest to start the flame.